Vacating default judgments. Getting a second chance to settle your debt. A default judgment may feel like the end of the road, but New Jersey law offers a second chance to address debt and protect your financial future. If you are sued for an unpaid debt and do not respond within 35 days, the court may enter a default judgment that allows the creditor to collect the debt plus interest, costs, and fees without a trial. Default judgments give creditors powerful tools like wage garnishment, bank levies, and liens that can severely impact daily life. Garnishment may reach 25% of wages, creditors can freeze bank accounts, and judgment liens can last 20 years and must be satisfied before you sell or refinance property. These powers arise from a judgment entered without your participation, but a knowledgeable lawyer can help you challenge it and restore your ability to defend the case. Default judgments happen for many reasons, including improper service, mistaken identity, life emergencies, confusion about court papers, or fear and avoidance that lead people to ignore a complaint. New Jersey Court Rule 450-1 lists several grounds for vacating a final judgment, including excusable neglect, newly discovered evidence, fraud or misconduct by the creditor, a void judgment due to improper service, satisfaction of the debt, or other exceptional circumstances. Excusable neglect covers situations like being served at an old address, being out of state, hospitalization, or receiving wrong advice, and you must also show a meritorious defense, such as that the debt is not yours, the amount is wrong, the statute of limitations has expired, the debt was paid, or the creditor lacks proof or standing. If service was improper and the judgment is void, you can raise this under subsection D, and the court may vacate the judgment without regard to the 1-year time limit. For motions based on excusable neglect, newly discovered evidence, or fraud, you must file within 1 year after the judgment is entered and act promptly after discovering it. Vacating a default judgment requires filing a motion with the court, collecting documents like the judgment and proof of service, preparing a notice of motion and certification, paying filing fees, serving papers on the creditor's attorney, and attending a hearing where the judge evaluates excusable neglect and a meritorious defense. If the judge grants the motion, the case returns to active status, allowing you to defend yourself or negotiate a settlement from a stronger position. Having an experienced attorney prepare and present the motion increases your chance of success, and working with a local law firm familiar with Ocean County procedures can guide you through each step. Bankruptcy can also play an important role when dealing with default judgments because filing under Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 triggers an automatic stay that stops wage garnishments and bank levies and can discharge many unsecured debts. An experienced bankruptcy lawyer can explain how the automatic stay and lien avoidance may protect your home and discharge judgment debts, and filing before a judgment is docketed can prevent a lien from attaching. Successfully vacating a default judgment gives you leverage to negotiate with creditors, who may settle for less than the full amount because continuing the lawsuit costs them time and money. You can also challenge the debt through discovery, requesting documentation that may be incomplete or inaccurate, which can lead to favorable settlements or dismissal of the case. Do not delay if you discover a default judgment or receive court papers. Quick action is essential to protect your wages, bank accounts, and property. A knowledgeable debt negotiations lawyer can advise whether to vacate the judgment, negotiate a settlement, or consider bankruptcy and ensure your rights are preserved. Straffi Straffi Attorneys at Law serves New Jersey residents from 670 Commons Way, Toms River, New Jersey, 08755, United States, and the firm's attorneys can review your situation and help you chart a course toward financial freedom. For a free consultation with a dedicated attorney, call Straffi Straffi at 732-341-3800. This law firm stands ready to assist you.